guys.
Okay, listen to me, Cody. How would I know this? The fortune cookie's gonna say you will live a long, prosperous life.
A man just died and he's eating a fortune cookie?
Yes, Cody, listen. The fortune cookie's gonna say you will live a long, prosperous life.
Hi guys. So okay. I'm going to grade my fidgets. 8 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10. Okay. 10 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10. It was my first ever fidget. This is 10 out of 10. Most myself 10. This is like probably 9 out of 10. This is like a 4 out of 10. 3. Actually 2. Yeah. This used to be like 10 out of 10. Now it's like a 5. Because I've been using it a lot. Have this. Okay, this is a 9 out of 10. This, I know you're going to think I'm crazy. This is 10 out of 10 just because my sister gave it to me. And I kind of use it a lot. So this is an 8 out of 10. Has a good squish. This is 7 out of 10. Let me see if I have anything left. This is a 10 out of 10. It's my favorite hockey track. I got this. Okay. This is a 2 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. Got it for Easter, like 2, maybe 3, 2 years ago. This was, I had another thing, what was kind of a Transformer movie that came with a car and a person. It was like my favorite toy. And I always acted like this was brother, so that's just why it's 10 out of 10. And this is a 3 out of 10. It's the last fidget I have. Bye, guys.